Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace or overwrite files in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully booted up and ready to go. You'll want to wait for everything to load completely before moving forward with this process. This ensures all system features are functioning properly and prevents any potential conflicts during the file replacement. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows 11 desktop and open any folder where you plan to work with files. This could be your Documents folder, Downloads, or any custom folder you've created. For this tutorial, we'll use a sample folder to demonstrate the process. With your folder open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll notice several tabs in the ribbon menu, and among them you'll see a tab labeled View. Click on this View tab to reveal additional options and settings that control how your folders behave and display content. Within the View menu, look for a button called Options. You might see it as a small icon or text, depending on your display settings. Click on this Options dropdown, and a new window titled Folder Options will appear on your screen. This window is the control center for how Windows handles file organization, visibility, and merging operations, so it's crucial for what we're about to configure. From the Folder Options window that just opened, click on the View tab at the top. This section contains advanced settings that give you more control over file management behaviors. Under the Advanced Settings section, you'll see a long list of checkboxes and options. Scroll down carefully through this list until you find an option labeled Hide Folder Merge Conflicts. This setting is what controls whether Windows shows you warnings or automatically handles file replacements when you move files with identical names into the same directory. Make sure to turn this feature off by unchecking the box next to it. Disabling this option is essential because it allows Windows to automatically replace and overwrite files without constantly interrupting you with conflict warnings. Once you've unchecked this setting, click Apply and then OK to save your changes and close the Folder Options window. Now here's where the magic happens. With this configuration in place, you can move certain files into the same file directory, and if those files have the same content and file name as existing files, Windows will automatically replace and overwrite the initial file from that directory. This means no more tedious manual confirmations every single time, making your workflow much smoother and faster when organizing or updating files. And that's it. You've successfully configured Windows 11 to automatically replace and overwrite files, saving you time and streamlining your file management process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.